minutes and I'll show you how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages to all your customers or leads. To do this, you just have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code which is attached right over here. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But first try it, then if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. So now we are on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and you have to make sure that you've added a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you haven't added it till now, the video tutorial is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that and add your WhatsApp number. After you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, go on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and then click on this add broadcast button right over here. Once you click on this add broadcast button, you are good to go. Over here it is asking for the broadcast type, so select it as broadcast campaign. For the broadcast name, enter the name of your own choice. So I'm just going to keep the name as skincare test. Now it is asking me to select the contact list. So in order to select the contact list, you first have to create one. In order to create the contacts, from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section from Pabbly Chatflow. Over here you can add the contacts and also create the contact list according to your own choice. If you want to know about this in detail, the video tutorial is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. I've already created my contact list, so I'm just going to select the same right over here. You can also select multiple contact lists if you want to send it to multiple lists at once. Okay, now let's just move on further. I'm just going to select only a single contact list. Now it is saying refine audience. You can exclude the contacts you don't want to receive this broadcast. So over here you can exclude some contact list and also you can exclude some specific contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp message. Apart from that, you can exclude the contacts in a 24-hour conversation window. Why is this important? Because once you're going to switch on this toggle button, it is going to skip all the contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so that they don't receive a reductant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. So this is a very useful feature over here. The next is this message type. So you have two message type, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you go for a regular message, you just have to choose your message type, be it text, image, file, video or audio, and then you just have to enter the message right over here. Whatever message you're going to enter, you're going to see the preview of the same on the right hand of the side too. Apart from that, you can simply select the pre-approved template message too. For that, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this template and then template list, and over here you have to create a template of the same. I have already created the template. If you want to learn more about this template section, the video tutorial is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. I've already created the template and the template is approved by Meta, so I'm just going to simply select that template right over here, which is this. After I select my template and click on this done, this message is ready. Now I am good to go. It is saying username and phone number. So why is it asking these details? Before sending this WhatsApp message to multiple customers and leads at once, we can test it. What we can do is we can simply enter the username and the mobile number in order to test this WhatsApp broadcast. Just click on this send test message button and it is saying test message sent. So let me just open my WhatsApp and you're going to see this is the WhatsApp message which every user or every lead is going to receive. It seems fine, so I can move on further and send it to all the clients and customers at once. In order to send it to everyone at once, you have two options. You can schedule it for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send this instantly, you have to click on this no send instantly and then add broadcast button, and instantly this broadcast will be sent. If you want to schedule this for later, just click on this yes schedule for later, choose the date and time by clicking on this calendar button and then click on this OK and then add broadcast, and then this broadcast will be scheduled. So as you can see, it is scheduled for 10th of July 2026 12 p.m. right over here. And once this broadcast is sent, I can view the stats of the broadcast too. I can go on this view stats and over here I can see how many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed too. Okay, so like this we have successfully learned within 5 minutes how to send bulk WhatsApp messages. If you want a detailed tutorial on this, the video is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. And Pabbly Chatflow is 100% safe. Go try it out. Your WhatsApp number will not be getting blocked because we are official WhatsApp Cloud API key provider. So go and try this, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.